Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the iPhone to a computer you trust. Make sure the cable and port are solid and battery is above 20%. Once connected, use Finder on Mac OS Catalina or later, or iTunes on older systems. This gives the software access needed to validate the device. Now perform a force restart. This can push the phone out of recovery mode without erasing data. Do this first because it's fast. If it works, you avoid restores and preserve everything on the device. If a force restart didn't work, you should use Update in Finder or iTunes, select the device, then click Update so the computer reinstalls iOS while keeping your data. This works because Update refreshes system files but avoids an erase. It often fixes boot issues. If the update process times out or fails after roughly 15 to 20 minutes, switch to Restore. That will erase and reinstall iOS, so make sure you have backups. Keep the iPhone connected and watch for progress or error code. Once the reinstall finishes, let the iPhone complete setup on the device. Sign into iCloud and verify apps and data have returned. If it remains stuck in recovery mode, move to DFU mode. This is a deeper restore, or try a different certified cable, another USB port, or a second computer to rule out host issues. If you still see errors or hardware warnings, contact Apple support or visit a service center. Sometimes the problem is a failing connector or logic board that requires repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.